Hey, what's up YouTube? So this is going to be part one of the K24 SPYDER MR2, and this thing's really nice. The customer just picked it up not too long ago, and basically going to go take it for a test drive and see the difference between the stock and then when we drop the K24. And so yeah, I like it. It's a nice car. I believe these are the 2ZZ engine in here, so I mean they still get down, they get some power, but the K-Series obviously has way more. So these cars are a little lighter than the SW20s. So let's go ahead and get this motor started up, and then we're gonna go for a test drive. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hand the camera to the customer here. There you go. I'm gonna take this thing for a test. Where's the seatbelts? Oh, here they are.
It's the clean inside here.
Yeah, it's really nice in here. I like it. And it's a 5-speed. Yeah, you can feel the lightness in this car.
Yeah.
How much did you end up getting the car for?
42.
4,200?
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's clean title.
Yeah, clean title. It's still low mileage on the chases, you know.
Yeah, you can feel the. I mean, the steering's real, you know, nimble. Like I like it. Hopefully, there's no cops around for quarantine. Everybody's supposed to stay inside, but it's just like people got stuff to do.
Nah, in California, it's right now it's okay.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah.
K-Series, you'll love it, man. It's really, really a lot faster than...
Man, I hope so, man.
It just has an exhaust on here, or...
Exhaust.
Or just that intake, there's no intake on here or anything?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure. I should get it yet today.
Oh, okay. I mean, it feels like a really good car, though. I like the way it drives. Like, it's really, really low compared to the other MR2s. I've just always been a fan of the SW20, but now that I'm driving this one, I can see this one on the track would be a lot more funner, I think.
Yeah.
A lot more nimble to drive. Doesn't have that mid to top end power,
Right.
but it's still a good engine for anybody who is interested in the motor. Tranny shift's really good, all gears. Till we drop the K24 in here. I know this car is gonna have a...
Man, I cannot wait to you know, like that time we just drive like this.
Yeah,
with the K24
yeah.
in it.
It'll be really fun. I mean,
Yeah.
you really don't even, like I said, when you go turbo, it'll be really, really fast. But just the all motor, it's really, really quick. So I think you'll like it. But with the setup is not bad for anybody who's just kind of gets be stock. But the K24, I mean, this thing should be twice as fast. Hopefully we can get this car, if we ever take it to the track, probably be like a 12-second car, I believe, if it with the right tires in the back. I mean, it's got really good suspension. It's not crashed or anything. The shell's real nimble and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can't wait to get this thing going. So this is gonna conclude the video, guys. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Hit the notification if you want to see this build. It's going to be going in the next couple of days. I'm going to start ordering parts and showing you guys how to drop this engine out. And contact me, it'd be KSeriesWorks on Instagram, or you can hit me up on my email at honda.mike1988@gmail.com. And stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of content coming for